Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the Dolby audio on your Hyundai TV. So first, let's head over to the settings. Now go over to the sound, and right up top we have the Dolby audio. So what we can do with it is we can basically turn the smart mode, the movie mode, the music mode, and the news mode. Also we can turn it off, but here I'll recommend you guys using either the news or the smart, but it all depends on what is the purpose of you using the TV. So it could either be for movies, music, or the news. So here you guys can change it, and that would be it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.